you something that is I think is going to be important for all of us, and this is a way you can be able to insert the CA of all your students at the same time without using the CASS software. Now this process is only for people who are tech inclined, for people who are aware of database instructions and other things. So that is why I'm making this video, so that you know some things that are possible for you if you are knowledgeable enough. So how do you make that possible? You see, this is the CASS software. Now these candidates in this very school, I have already entered their first year. Okay, let me use okay, if we come to edit year 1 2023, now this outstanding CASS 0 means that all their subjects have been their subject CS have been inserted. So what option am I talking about? Now if you look at the second year for 2024, you see that all the 11 subjects are outstanding. Look at the time, it's 8:29. The total number of students here, they are 175. No matter how you want to think you are fast enough, within the next 1 hour you might not be able to enter the CA for all these students. This is 8:29, but look at what I'm going to do. I'll close this window, minimize this. I'm going to launch this software. The reason is because I understand the activities going on inside this database. So if you are not IT inclined, don't try to do this, because you mess up the whole data on your system. So you see this score part, this part where we have score, this is where the CS are entered, and this is how the software reads it from here. So what am I going to do? I'm going to filter this by the current year. Okay, I'm going to filter this by the current year, and any CASS that starts with 23 43, because I'm going to filter it so that I'll make sure that I'm entering the CASS for only this that particular candidate 1105. So I'm also making sure that I'm only manipulating the data of the single school. So if you look at these are their CS. How many do I have? They're 350. If you multiply 170, if you multiply 175 by 2, you are going to have 350. Now where is the 350 coming from? You see that the CASS here is 2. If I turn the CASS here, filter it by CASS year 1, I'm going to have only 175 data. Do you understand? 175 data. So what I'll do is I'll go up here. This is the score 1. I'll just copy the score. I will copy this, then I will now filter it by year 2. You see that the whole of year 2 has not been entered. I'll just paste this. We still have 175, so I'll paste this, and you see that no warning, no nothing, and then I would save it. I'm writing the changes. Now look at what happened. It is now 8:33. It's just 4 minutes. I have finished entering the CA for 175 students. So between 8:29 and 8:33 I finished entering the CA for 175 students. Look at the year 1 completed, year 2, year 2 is also completed. So within this time lapse I've been able to complete the CA for 175 students without wasting my time entering the CS. So if this is something you can do, you can comment below. I will share the software for you, and you can be able to do the same thing.